Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Boost, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jane.
Hello, Jane, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be back here with you today.
It's great to see you, Joseph. How are you doing?
I am feeling fantastic, thank you. I had a very nice, quiet weekend. How about you?
I'm doing great. I am very excited about our topic for today.
Okay, so what's today's topic?
Today, we are talking about this problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Ah, yes, Jane, that is the number one problem. I hear this from so many people.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked. But today, we are going to share some powerful and practical tips to help everyone unlock their English voice.
That sounds perfect. This is a very important episode.
It is. But wait, before we start, we have a small, friendly request for all of you listening.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast and you are learning with us, please take just 1 second to give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
It really helps our channel grow, and it helps other English learners find us.
And please click that subscribe button for Daily English Boost. That way you will never miss our new episodes.
Thank you all so much for your support.
Okay, Jane, I am ready. My voice is locked. How do I find the key?
Okay, the first key is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen, but I already understand.
Understanding is wonderful. It's step one, but we need to change our listening from passive to active.
Passive to active. What does that mean?
Passive listening is when you are doing other things. Maybe you are cleaning or driving and the English is in the background. You understand, but you are not focused.
Ah, yes, I do that sometimes.
Active listening is when you listen and you repeat.
Oh, so I hear a sentence and I say the sentence.
Yes, that is a wonderful technique called shadowing.
Shadowing, like my shadow on the wall?
Exactly like that. You become the shadow of the speaker. You listen to a podcast or a short video and you try to repeat what the person says at the same time.
At the same time? Wow, that sounds very hard.
It can be, so you can start small. Listen to one sentence, press pause, and then repeat the sentence again.
Okay, listen, pause, repeat. I can do that.
And when you feel more confident, you can try to speak with the person. It's okay if it's not perfect.
I see. So I'm not just hearing the English, I'm making the English. I'm practicing the sounds and the music of the language.
You said it perfectly. The next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode, what is that?
It's a time in your day when you only think and speak in English.
Only think in English? Oh, that is hard. My brain loves my first language.
Of course, but you can practice. Just talk to yourself or someone in English.
You mean say what I'm doing or also practicing with someone else?
Yes, for example, when you are in the kitchen, you say, "Okay, I am making tea now. I need a cup. Where's the sugar? The sugar is in the refrigerator."
Oh, I can do that.
See? It feels a little stupid at first, but it is so powerful.
Why is it powerful?
Because it forces your brain to find the words. It is not just understanding, you have to produce the language.
My brain has to work. I need cup. It's practice for real situations.
Exactly. Try it for just 5 or 10 minutes every day and you'll see yourself grow.
Okay, I will try it out. But Jane, what if I don't know the words? I stop because I'm searching.
That is a perfect question. And this is tip number 3. Stop memorizing words one by one.
But I need more words to grow.
No. I mean stop memorizing lists of words like hat, dog, book, hen. This is not very helpful for speaking practice.
So what should I learn?
You should learn chunks of words.
Like a chunk of cake?
No, not that silly. Chunks are groups of words. They are phrases. They are sentence starters.
Okay, give me an example.
Instead of learning the word house, learn the whole chunk. That's a good house.
Oh, that's a good house. I can use that in a conversation.
Yes. Or instead of learning the word care, learn the chunk you really care about me.
Interesting, Jane, but I really care about you.
Thanks, Joseph. That's nice to hear.
You're welcome, Jane. So these are like shortcuts for fluency. I love that. Learn chunks, not single words.
Yes. Now the next tip is maybe the most important one yet.
Okay, let's hear it.
You must speak English every single day.
Every day? Oh, Jane, I'm so busy. I'm tired.
It doesn't have to be 1 hour, just 5 to 15 minutes, but every day.
So 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour on Saturday?
Yes, much better. Speaking English is a skill, like playing the guitar or playing football. You must practice daily.
It keeps the English muscle in your brain active. It's also called muscle memory.
Yes, but then the next question is, who do I talk to, right?
Right, I'm shy. I don't live in an English speaking country, which makes it hard.
You can talk to your phone. Try using the voice recorder to record yourself speaking English.
I don't want to do that. I hate my voice. I will hear my bad accent.
No, your accent isn't bad, Joseph. Your accent is just who you are. You can ask yourself a simple question,
A question like what, Jane?
like, what did I do today? And then you answer. You press record and you say, today I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work, and more questions like that.
And then I listen to the recording, right, Jane?
Yes, you listen and you think, oh, I said that very well. Or you think that word was difficult. I will practice that word.
Wow, so I am my own teacher.
You are, and there's no pressure. No one is watching. It is just you and your phone. It's fantastic practice.
Okay, I will try it out. It sounds a little silly, but I see why it is a good idea.
Yes, and here's another fun way to practice, very similar, role playing.
Role playing? Like acting in a movie?
Yes, that's smart. You imagine a situation. You are at the restaurant. You are at the airport. You are in a job interview.
Okay, let's try. Hello, sir. Welcome to McDonald's. What would you like to order?
I would like a burger, please.
A burger? Okay. And would you like a drink?
Just water, please.
This is fun. I'll be doing it.
It is fun, and it trains your brain to react in English. It prepares you for real-life situations, so when you are really at a restaurant, your brain doesn't freeze.
It doesn't freeze. Ah, that is the big problem. Freezing. This trains the brain to improve. I love this idea.
Now we have to talk about the biggest, scariest problem in the room.
Oh no, I'm getting scared.
Don't be, Joseph. It's just the fear of mistakes.
Ah, yes, that is a very big problem. I understand, but I don't speak because I'm afraid. I'm afraid my grammar is wrong. I'm afraid people will laugh.
Everyone feels this way, every single learner, but I want to tell everyone a secret.
A secret? I'm curious.
Mistakes are your best friends.
My friends? No, Jane, mistakes are bad. They are red pens on my exams.
No, in speaking, mistakes are good. A mistake is proof. It is proof that you are trying. It is proof that you are improving daily.
I never thought of it that way. A mistake means I am improving.
Yes, you cannot learn to speak without making many, many mistakes. It is impossible. Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before.
Wow, that is a big idea. So I should just speak even if it's not perfect?
Yes, the goal is communication and fluency, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. I'm going to note that down so I won't forget. I love it.
If the other person understands your idea, yes, then you win. You did a great job because you just communicated.
That takes all the stress away. Okay, I will try to be brave and be best friends with my mistakes.
Please do. And that brings us to our last big message. To stop freezing, you must practice responding no matter how bad it is.
You mean answering?
Yes, a conversation is two-way. It is listen, speak. Listen, speak.
That is the hard part.
It is, so you must practice it. You can use an AI like a chatbot on your phone. You ask it questions and it asks you questions. You must answer. It's another great way to learn and improve daily.
Ah, so I'll need to train daily to improve.
Yes, or you can find a friend who is also learning or a teacher. The secret is to train your brain to reply, not just to listen. Listening is passive.
This all makes so much sense. It is all connected. Active listening, active thinking in English mode, and active replying.
You got it, Joseph. That is the whole plan. The English is in your head. You do understand. These tips are the bridge. They help you move the English from your ears to your mouth.
Wow, Jane, these tips were so helpful. I feel motivated. I feel like I can speak.
You can speak, Joseph. You speak beautifully.
Thank you. But these are very practical ideas. Let's do a very quick review.
Great idea.
Okay, tip 1. Practice shadowing. Listen and repeat.
Tip 2. Create your English mode. Talk to yourself.
Tip 3. Learn chunks, those groups of words, not single words.
Tip 4. Practice every single day, even just for 5 or 10 minutes.
Tip 5. Record your voice on your phone. Be brave and listen.
Tip 6. Do role plays. Pretend you are ordering a pizza.
Tip 7. Make friends with your mistakes. Remember, communication, not perfection.
And tip 8, practice responding. Train your brain to reply.
That is a powerful plan. Thank you so much, Jane.
You are so welcome, and thank you all for listening today. We truly hope these tips help you unlock your English voice.
Yes, remember, understanding is a wonderful skill, but your voice is the bridge to connection. Speak every day, even if it's imperfect. That is how fluency begins.
That is so true. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Before you go, please, if you liked this episode and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Boost.
And please give this episode a like so other learners can find it and share it with a friend who feels stuck.
Yes, and we have a question for you. Please leave a comment for us below.
We want to know, which one of these tips will you try first?
Until next time, everyone, keep practicing. Bye bye.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.